Oh yeah, another mailbag. And this should all be 2018 Black Friday stuff. This time for real. So let's get started. One thing I noted, while this is all from Banggood, I'm pretty sure it's all from Banggood, it has all been delivered from, Thailand. Yeah, whatever. Let's dig into it. Okay, that I'm so sorry. That wasn't probably Black Friday again, and it probably isn't any electronics, nevertheless. These are... Oh, I'm out of focus, sorry. These are, clamps for laboratory stand. Two of them. Let me show you its features. They go, of course, together with the laboratory stand I had in the last mailbag card link. However, I already have one part of one of the clamps in my hands. Yeah, it was a little bit bent, so I thought I bent it back, and that didn't work out. So, no 5 stars for that stuff, but I guess they were quite inexpensive. Anyway, they go with a laboratory stand, and they should hold a thermometer in my etching solution or whatever. That's the idea. Let's have a closer look and a post-mortem on that one. So it's all nice and shiny and nicely rubberized. However, this is steel. Okay, the wing nut is steel. The screw is, of course, steel. But the head. Oh, even that one, that thing here is not, that rivet is not steel at all. And I don't think it's aluminium. Can I have a focus here? If you look how it broke, maybe it's aluminium, but it feels more like zinc or something, some zinc alloy. So, and of course, those alloys are not very good for bending. So, and this one simply was a little bit off here. Bent inwards. And I tried to bend it outwards again, and it broke. And I think this is 2 zinc cast parts, but I don't. The general form of it. You have here even. It's kind of a washer to give the wing nut a little bit of a standoff, so it doesn't scratch here or blocks. It's nice, but zinc. I mean, yeah. Okay. Just so be aware. Don't try to bend them into form. They will break if you buy them. I think it was 19 centimeters tip to toe. It's when you completely open it, it can take something with a diameter of up to, yeah, let's say 2.5 centimeters. And yeah, the steel rod itself, it's 8 millimeters. It's actually quite sturdy. It's more sturdy than the cheap stand, which is, I think, only 5 or 6 millimeters. So yeah, but you don't buy it because of the steel rods. Steel rods are cheap. You buy it because of all that complicated mechanic here and the head, and that's of zinc, and that's bullshit. So that was the adjustment 3-prong lap extension flask clip clamp for lap stand. So yeah, a clamp for lap stand, not the clamp where you attach that to the lap stand itself, but yeah, you know what I mean. And yeah, it was not Black Friday. I saw it. Sorry. And it was, I bought 2 pieces, and my price at that time was 342 euros. So about the same, little more in US dollars. And they are, they look good, but they're crap. So that brings us to our next, hopefully not bag of crap. It's very well packed, and okay, I'm pretty sure this is all, yeah, small stuff, Black Friday. So ooh, this should be an Arduino Mini. Yeah. This should be... I have no idea. And this is... Ah! Yeah. That's an Arduino Mega. Okay. Let's start with a Mini, huh? Okay. Not much to see here. Caution anti-static. Yeah. So, mini board. That's all. And yeah, the headers for it. Let me solder that together, and then we can try out if that thing works. And obviously it does work. I just uploaded the Blink sketch to it, and yeah, don't forget to install the CH340 CH340 USB driver for these Chinese Nano clones or Arduino clones at all. I think I've shown that in that video card link where I downloaded the driver and such. And when uploading the sketch, I used as board Arduino Nano, so yeah, everything seems to be fine. And that was the Greek Creek 80 Mega blah 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 Nano version 3 Arduino clone. Yeah, I bought it at Black Friday 2018 for 228 euros, and meanwhile in January 2019 it's down to 2 euros. So yeah, Black Friday, not really saving money, huh? Next we have in a very nice packaging with a complementary USB cable. Yeah, complementary, very short USB cable. That's not even half a meter. I won't measure it. And come on. That's supposed to be an Arduino Mega. And, well, it looks the part. It doesn't say Mega somewhere. What's written on that chip? Can I have a focus here? Yeah, it's an I2C Mega 2560. So yeah, it's the right chip. And yeah, I'll try to connect it and upload the Blink sketch. And absolutely no problems at all. Connected it. It was detected as an Arduino Mega. So no special Chinese drivers available. It was detected by the Arduino IDE as an Arduino Mega, so no troubles at all. I think I had to tell the Arduino IDE that this was in fact an Arduino Nano. So yeah, just selected the port, which is now COM16. As I said, it's directly recognized as an Arduino Mega. And the rest, yeah, the Arduino IDE did for me. So, no problems at all. So, that was the Geekcrete Arduino Mega clone, which I bought on Black Friday for €8.80 and 2018, and now January 2019 it's $7.86. So but anyway, it works. It works really well. Yeah, no driver problems, no special drivers required. In that respect, goodbye. And the last item from this bag is quite small. And it is, if I can get it out of here. Another OLED display, one of the small ones, 0.96 inches. Yeah, there was something special about that one. Can I get a focus? Yeah. The thing here is, it's either I2C or it's 4-wire, respectively 3-wire SPI capable, depending on the bridges you set with the resistors R1, R4, R6, R7 and R8. And it's currently set to R3, R3 and R4. Yeah, so it's currently set up for, I think, 4-wire SPI. And having an SPI interface obviously has the advantage of a little bit faster data transfer than I2C. Okay, I'll try to get this thing up and running. Yeah, works like a charm. Yeah, and I'm using the SSD 1306 ASCII library, which I always use when I'm doing not graphics. Some hint, card here, link below, and this is basically only their standard example for an SPI display I used. Just for me to figure out which pins connect where to my Arduino. And can I get a focus here? Thank you. Yeah, the code is really primitive. So, really just an example. So, that was also Greek Creed OLED display 0.96 inch. Yeah, SSD 1306 with, you can choose the interface SPI, several versions, or I2C by setting the resistors at the back, which I probably won't do. It's too much of a hassle. But now I have an SPI OLED display, which is okay. And I paid on Black Friday 2018 €2.90 for it, and now January 2019 it's €2.88. So 3 Black Friday items I bought which I didn't need immediately, which are now even cheaper. Finally, the last package. Also very well, somehow packed. And it's a multi-function tester. Who would have thought? And it comes also in an ESD bag. I don't know why. Well, there's some protective stuff on it. We can remove that. Accessories, I guess. I have no idea what I should do with that thingy here. Stick it in here for calibration purposes? No, probably not. A very, very small capacitor, 1 micro, 50 volts. An LED. It has obviously infrared something. There's a handbook. This will be entertaining. An USB cable, because that's the reason I bought that. And three cables to connect it to the outside world. Yeah, with some cheaper clamps, but well, at least. And the reason I bought that, I mean, you know these Chinese multi-function whatever testers that do everything. You simply put your part somehow in the 0-4 socket and you press test and it says you what it is. But that thing here comes with an internal rechargeable battery, and yeah, it makes it very handy. So let's see if it works out of the box. I slam here in the capacitor and press start. Oh, yeah, maybe I go in a little bit closer. So I slammed the capacitor in here, 1 micro, and I press start. And it says my voltage on the battery is 4 volts, which is okay, supposing it's lithium ion or something. And it says 903.5 nanofarads, which is 908.3 nanofarads, which is close enough. Loss 4%, ESR 6.4 ohms, and yeah, that's a little bit and I chunk that LED in here and press test, and it blinks a little and it says okay, that's a diode with a forward voltage of 2.8 volts, tested at not EF, ER, 4 nanoamperes, leakage backwards, and yeah, it also displayed the capacity. Yeah, 41 picofarad, if that's true. Yeah, let's put in some more interesting things. I have here this old, really old, can get a focus here, BD157 transistor. I have no idea if that thing is still working. Just grabbed it and yeah, seems to work just fine. I mean, okay, beta of 32, base emitter 670 millivolts at collector current of 6 milliamps. Yeah, seems to work. And I have here something a little bit more challenging. Yeah, I want to see if it can do that. Yeah, you cannot BT136. Yeah, that's basically a triac. Let's see. Yeah, triac. Great. And it says forward voltage 817 millivolts, which is a little bit much for my taste, but yeah, you don't expect some precision readings from these things. And because this is really fun, I have here some absolutely unidentifiable, I mean, I did my best, IBM parts. Yeah, maybe somebody has an idea. I have several of them with different numbers. Oh yeah, and that's also a 22, so I guess these two are identical to a certain degree. And yeah, as I said, I have no idea what these things are, but here comes the additional test leads in, I guess. And it really doesn't matter how you put them in. Well, I guess one connection to this pin, one connection to this pin. Oops. Okay. Now not that stable. And sorry, fumbling around. And one connection to the body somehow. Takes a while. It has no idea what it is. Interesting. So if you have an idea what it is, please let me know. So yeah, I'm trying the 38. And somebody out there might have a use for these. Leave it in the comments. And I can mail them to you. I mean, I have absolutely no use for them. Okay, I guess I just poke that here on the copper. Taking too long already. No. I mean, one possibility is that these test leads are shit. It's one way to verify that. Simply put on our bipolar transistor again. And try that. No, these test leads seem to be okay. So, yeah, I have no idea what that's supposed to be. I mean, it's certainly interesting, but yeah, if you have any idea, leave a comment, please. And yeah, it has actually an USB port just for charging the internal lithium battery. So yeah, I like it. Yeah, I won't make too much fun of the manual because it is, besides the sometimes awkward English, quite comprehensive. I mean, a little small in the print, but not too shabby for such a product. Oh, you can to zoom in here, but yeah, internally you can put on some bridges here to change the factory timeout. Hardware jumpers. Oh, yeah, why not? And yeah, IR decoder is built in. No idea. Yeah, and that was the Danube LCR TC1. Colorful display, blah, blah, blah. Multifunctional tester and whatnot. And interestingly, I ordered that on Black Friday for 22.02 euros. And yeah, uh, the delivery date was it was not in stock, and the delivery date, yeah, they moved it and they moved it again and again and again and again, and so I cancelled that order. A few days later, or a week later, maybe 2 weeks, there was a new offer for it for 1766 euros, and that was the price I actually paid. And nowadays it goes for 21.84 euros. So yeah, I tried to order it on Black Friday, but yeah, again, if I would have ordered it on Black Friday and a few weeks later, it's down to 1766. Yeah. So Black Friday on Banggood is not really a good opportunity to save money. At least in regards to the 4 samples I had here. So that was the mailbag for today. Bye.